Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. Okay, today I want to discuss the syllabus of geography. As you know very well, in the syllabus we have done 5 chapters. I am discussing this syllabus for your midterm. Okay, first of all, chapter number 1, physical state of the earth. So in this chapter you can see they have discussed different things like different layers of earth, composition of earth. Then they have discussed about fault and their types. Then earthquakes and their effects. All these things has been discussed in this chapter. We have read all this chapter and I had explained. After this, if we come to exercise, over here you can see they have given you question. 4 answers are given for every question. Mark the correct answer and you have to find the correct option. So this whole answer you have to do. Then come to next page. Over here there are short answers. Give 2 reasons for earthquake. Write down the names of internal parts of earth. Write down the names of big plates of earth. What is volcanism and what is the meaning of ring of a fire? So all these answers you have written in your copy, right? And you have to learn all these. Then give answers in detail. Over here you have to write about the composition of earth, describe the type of faults, discuss the effects of earthquakes. All these answers you have written in your copies. Now chapter number 2, denotation, right? You know very well what is the meaning of denotation and its types. We have read it in the chapter. Then we have to tell about erosion and its causes, and then we have to tell about weathering. Then next topic is mass wasting. Similarly, we have to tell about the mass wasting and its effect on agriculture. All these things we have read in this chapter. Now come to exercise. Page number is 23. Over here you can see again they have given you 4 answers are given and you have to select any one. All this I had explained in the class, so you have to prepare this. Then come to short answers. Define denudation. What is the meaning of weathering? Define erosion process. What is the meaning of mass wasting? And differentiate between weathering, erosion and mass wasting. So all these you have done in your copy. You have to do this. Then come to long answers. Over here you have to write a note on the types of denudation. In this answer you have to write all types, right? Then give reasons for the breakage of rocks. Over here you have to give the reasons. I think there are 7 reasons for the breakage of rocks you have written in the copy. Then explain the types of weathering. In this you have to explain the types of weathering. Question number 4, write down the reason for erosion process. So you have to write the reason for this. All these you have written in your copy. After this, come to activities. The very first activity, draw the sketch of mountain, rock or hill. You have drawn this. I can give you this in the paper. Okay, so get ready. After this, chapter number 3, introduction to atmosphere. Over here what we have to tell about the atmosphere of the earth. Then we will tell how is the composition of the atmosphere. Then we have to describe the composition of the atmosphere. Then we have to discuss the significance of important gases for life on earth. So on the earth which gases are necessary. Then we have to tell about weather and climate, right? So all these things we have read in this chapter. And one more thing we have done in this chapter, that is pollution and importance of ozone layer, right? All these concepts we have read in this chapter. Over here on page number 33 we can see 4 options are there and we have to select any one. So you will do this. After this, on next page, short answers. What is atmosphere? Over here you will write the definition of atmosphere, then explain the difference between weather and climate. What is mesosphere? And write down any 2 reasons for reduction in ozone. Why ozone layer is reducing? So we have to tell 2 reasons. After this, give answers in detail. Explain the importance of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Explain the composition of atmosphere. Discuss in detail the layers of atmosphere. All these answers you have written in the copy, so you have to learn all these. Then come to chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 is atmospheric temperature. So in this chapter we will read about temperature and we will read about what is the temperature of the earth. So over here we will discuss horizontal distribution of temperature and vertical distribution of temperature, okay, and the factors which can affect on this temperature. Fine. Open page number 43. Over here you can see 4 options are there and you have to select any one. Same question. Then come on page number 44. Over here give short answers. Define temperature. Give names of instruments and scales to measure temperature. What is the meaning of isotherm? We have written all these answers. Then explain answers in detail. Number 1, horizontal distribution of temperature. Number 2, vertical distribution of temperature. Number 3, we have to write the factors which change temperature. So you have to write all these answers. Now let me tell you one thing, in short answers you will write only 2 or 3 lines answer, but in long answers you have to give details. Similarly, see the summary. So in some pages they have given you important points, so you have to learn these important points also. I can make fill in the blanks or even true false from these important points. After this, chapter number 5, in this chapter we have read about air pressure and how air pressure decreases with increasing height and how air pressure increases with decreasing height. Then we have read about air pressure belts, then circulation of vents, and the very important point, cyclones, their types, movement and distribution. So all these things we have discussed in this chapter. After this, open page number 55. Over here you can see 4 options are given to you and you have to tick the correct one. Then you can see short answers. Define cyclones. What do you mean by tornadoes? Then what is the meaning of air pressure? All these things you have to explain. And then you can see long questions, 4 long questions. Explain the air pressure belts on earth. Number 2, explain the types of cyclone, explain the difference between temperature and air pressure, and last one, explain the wind system. So all these answers you have to prepare for your paper, okay? Do your paper neatly, write question with the pointer. When you finish one question, please draw ending line, then start next one. And if you want to leave one line, you can leave. But your paper should be very neat, okay? Best of luck for your paper. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.